Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, if people are adding you in different WhatsApp group without your consent and it is being irritating and annoying to you, then I am here to tell you the method how to stop such people. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your application, WhatsApp application. Here it is, open it. Then at the upper right corner there are three dots, click on it, and the last option is setting, open. And the second option is the privacy, click and scroll down at the bottom, and there is the option in the last block. The first option is groups, click on it and you can see who can add me to the groups. The by default app setting is everyone. It means everyone, whether it is in contacts or not, can add you in any WhatsApp group. So you can choose the option to my contacts. It means any member or any contact number which you have saved in your contact list can add you in any of its WhatsApp groups. And if you check more precisely, you can choose any contact. For example, it is, then click OK. It means I have selected some specialized person who can only add me in any of the groups. So you can cancel it. Then the by default is option is my contacts or everyone. I have selected everyone by default. Then back. Now I want to check whether the same setting is repeated in WhatsApp business account or not. Then open business, WhatsApp business. There are three dots at the upper right corner, click on it. Then at the bottom of the list, setting, click on it. And then here it is the third option, privacy. Then scroll down and there is the option groups, and by default everyone is selected. You can choose whether my contacts or whether my contacts accept. So approximately the same setting is repeated in WhatsApp regular and WhatsApp business messenger. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.